Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptics. Today we're looking at OurGlass. Now this is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research and see what coins and tokens you're interested in. To get OurGlass is fairly simple. It's based on the Binance token, so what you'll want to do is take a look at the coin, take a look at where it's at in price, how it's doing in the market, and then we can go to Binance and purchase either some Binance with US dollars at Binance.us, or you can use a VPN at Binance.com and either buy it or exchange it for another cryptocurrency. Once we've done that, we want to go to MetaMask.io and transfer our BNB there. This is a safe, secure wallet. I personally like it. And then after we have the BNB and our MetaMask, we just want to go to Pancake. And then what we'll need to do in OurGlass is go to BSC scan. Now I'm going to reiterate, you want the address that ends in 3A33. So we just typed in OurGlass, get the one that ends in 3A33, which you can see here, copy that, go to PancakeSwap, click on it, search for the token. We found Glass, we can add it, and then start trading it for BNB. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments about OurGlass or anything in altcoins or the cryptocurrency world, leave me a comment below. Also be sure to hit that notification bell to know when we make more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.